How to check general usage data for Microsoft 365 apps and services. Monitoring usage data for Microsoft 365 apps and services is essential for understanding adoption and utilization across your organization. This guide outlines the steps to access, review, and analyze usage data, helping you make informed decisions about training, support, and resource allocation. Getting started. To access usage data, you need one of the following roles: Global Administrator, Global Reader. Steps to access usage data. 1. Log into the Admin Center. Navigate to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center at admin.microsoft.com, https:/admin.microsoft.com. 2. Go to Usage Reports. From the left navigation menu, select Reports Usage. Review usage data. Analyze the usage reports for various Microsoft 365 apps and services, including Copilot for Microsoft 365, Exchange, Forms, Microsoft 365 apps, Microsoft Browser, Microsoft Teams, Teams apps, OneDrive, SharePoint. 4. Filter time span. Use the calendar filter at the top of each app's report to adjust the reporting time span. 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 180 days. How it works. The usage reports provide insights into adoption trends, see which apps are widely used; service utilization, identify areas where apps are underutilized; decision making, use data to guide training, resource allocation, and adoption strategies. Export and analyze data. 1. Export reports. Click Export in the upper right corner of any visual to download the data in CSV format. 2. Analyze in Power BI. Import exported data into Power BI to create customized visualizations and deeper insights. Regular monitoring benefits. Identify training needs. Spot areas where users need additional support or training. Optimize resources. Ensure resources are allocated effectively based on usage trends. Track adoption over time. Monitor how service adoption evolves and assess the impact of initiatives. Additional resources. Microsoft 365 reports in the Admin Center. Learn more at learn.microsoft.com/enus/Microsoft-365 admins activity-reports.